Alright, so we are going to do an unboxing of this cool tool. This is a crimping tool for plumbing. So I'm going to show you a little bit the box so that way you can see the product as well. So as you can see, it says secure clamps, all day productivity, 400 clamps per charge. I don't know, maybe if you have a bigger battery, maybe you can even do more than that. It says one handle operation, ultimate versatility. So as you can see here, we have if it's 3/8, half an inch, 3/4, 1 inch, X clamp ring, 3 years of warranty. So the bad thing about this is no water resistant, and this is crazy. So this is the second tool that I bought because the first one it was refurbished. It lasted for a couple months and then it died. I took it to the warranty and they fixed it. They gave me another one, I think. And I bought this one just in case if the first one dies or get wet or something like that. At least you have a backup. So as you can see here, you have the same thing, the same information. The model is p660. Just in case, you will see the same thing here, p660. And it's a 400 clamps per charge. Okay, you will have the LED lights, belt, clip, comes with it, and then it's no brushless. That is the only downside, and it's no waterproof. Other than that, I mean, it's a nice product. So I'm going to show you everything that comes with it. I just took it out of the box already, so that way we can save some time, and I have it here. So as you can see in the front, you have the LED light. So if you push it once, you have the LED light, and then I'm going to cover it so that way you can see the clipping, the crimping tool. So you push here once, and it will do all the job for you. Push once. If you never used this tool before, this is the part that you have to buy. This is the ring, and then you have to pinch it just in this side. Now I'm going to show you how it works. Also here I'm going to show you in the picture, as you can see here. So that is how it looks like, the end result once you use it. For this you have to use PEX-B, and I'm going to show you how it works, and it's very easy and faster than using the manual tool. And that's it. So you have to push for 2 seconds. And when you finish, it will tell you with the green light, as you can see here, that everything is good. There we go. So I'm using this battery. I like it a lot. It's very small, and for small shops, it's good. If you need more, I would recommend you a 4-amp battery, so the way it will last longer. So it comes with this belt clip. It's kind of weird because it's kind of difficult to remove it. It doesn't come with the screw like a regular tools from Ryobi. So as you can see, it comes like that. You can put it on the right or on the left. So basically you have to put it kind of like this, and then try to push it, like that. And I thought in the beginning that I was able to remove it easily, but it's dependent. But at least in my case, I'm going to use it that way. You just put it on your belt, and that's it. So the tool is good. Like I said before, the only thing is you have to have 2 of these, because when you're working with pipes and everything, there is a leak or anything like that, gets wet and it will stop working. And if you leave it for a few hours, it will start working again. But otherwise, if you don't have anything else, you will have to clamp it by hand. But the product is very good. It's the only one that I know. At least there is no other brand. I didn't see Milwaukee or any other brand doing these type of things. But if you see, you can put it here on your belt, and then use it like that, and then you can have it handy. So that is the good thing. The only bad thing is I bought few of those clamps, like you see all these hooks, the belt clips that you see here. And because with the new tools, you know, the impact drivers and everything, it doesn't come, so you have to buy it separately. In this case, comes with it, but you know, they have different clip belts, so this is kind of crazy. Other than that, I mean, I like it. It's very useful. If you have to, always I have a manual just in case. And now this is my second tool that I have like this. Because sometimes the manual, maybe if you're in a weird place, you have to use the manual one. Otherwise, 99% of the time, I use this all the time, very fast, just clip it, that's it. Just the only thing that you have to put is the ring here. And that is all you have to do. So maybe in another video, I will show you how you can do, how you can use this product. So if you want to see it, just let me know in the section below. I am in US. If you need this tool because you're outside the United States, just let me know. I can ship it to you. Otherwise, if you're here in US, I'll try to leave in the video description so that way you can buy it yourself. If you have any question, please let me know and see you next time. And if you want to see more videos, watch more videos about tools, go to the playlist. See ya.